Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS and ESS Bassett. Welcome to Accountants Minute. Accountants, are you adding value to company directors? Crowdsourced funding commences on the 29th of September. It's an appropriate time for accountants to be thinking about mentoring of small medium enterprise operators about performing the role as a company director. The Australian government expects thousands of companies to take advantage of the two new types of corporate entities that are now available over the next 12 months. With crowdsourced funding, the first phase of this new type of company will be that the company will be an unlisted public company, and this will require 3 directors. Whilst many small medium enterprise operators are directors of their companies, for the vast majority of them, this will be the first time that they have had to act as the stewards of money that has been invested with them by people that are unknown to them. Crowdsourced funding and early stage innovation companies offers tremendous opportunities for businesses to add value. But it also brings a whole new group of public directors into the full glare of the public and governmental agencies. The Australian Security Investment Commission and other government agencies will be closely observing what happens in what can only be called an experiment in the formation of new corporations in Australia. Too many mistakes, and undoubtedly the government of the day will then impose tougher legislation to control this new market. And that will make it more difficult for many small and medium enterprises to raise capital. So what can accountants do to assist your clients to be able to take advantage of this opportunity to raise capital if they wish? You could offer a support seminar and associated program on the role of a director in a small medium enterprise. You could talk to your clients about developing an elevator pitch that they could utilise to make presentations in 30 seconds to potential investors, which outlines what they're going to do in their company and the services they're offering to customers. Many of them will need an overview of the key legislation that company directors have to work with. Your role could be as a mentor for new directors, whereby you can take them through a guidance program. In the first instance, making sure they have a working knowledge of their own company's constitution, and ensuring that there's been adequate processes and systems implemented relative to key person appointments such as the Managing Director or the Chief Executive Officer, that systems have been introduced for the adequate control of asset acquisition, for the development of intellectual property by the business and the safeguarding of it. Accounting systems have been introduced for debtors, stock, cash flow, etc. Workplace health and safety systems have been implemented, and that the company is abiding by the rules of Fair Work Australia. That risks within this company have also been identified and appropriate risk strategies have been implemented. That appropriate cash flow management is implemented within the business. And that the directors understand the very important attitude that they need to have to ensuring that they do not trade whilst the company is insolvent. For accountants, this is a great opportunity also, in that you will be able to develop a whole new income stream, corporate governance reviews for directors. The ESS BIZTOOLS Gold Package includes a significant amount of information relating to corporate governance and company directors' duties. We currently have a new financial year special that is ending soon. In fact, it ends on the 31st of August. A 25% discount meaning that for $2,227 you can obtain a 12-month 24/7 subscription per office, so that you can avail yourself of all the material within the ESS BIZTOOLS Gold Package. We're also presenting a free webinar to alert you to the opportunities that are available for accountants from crowdsourced funding on Monday the 28th of August at 12:30 p.m, capturing a share of the crowdsourced funding equity raising market. I look forward to you being able to join us at that free webinar. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. I look forward to hearing from you and speaking to you at the free webinar. Have a great day. Goodbye. Finished off by the ice cream man. Did that tape?